We're outside today. Can you guess where? You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go look through, pick up some stuff. Maybe. Just enjoy the process. We're here 2 hours before closing, so spend an hour, leave. Take you guys around with me. Let's go see what's up. Ignore the hair. Nobody here looks good. It's fine. We're out here in the junkyard. We're looking for row 107, which is probably going to be somewhere over there, because right now we're at row 7. So with that being said, if I see anything interesting, I'll stop by, but I'm trying to beeline to where we need to go. I got my tools and myself. Let's go. Poo. The front is gone. We're looking for some stuff, but it looks like maybe the windshield motor side might still be there, so let's give it a shot. We're getting some music. And that's where the bolt goes, the 10 mil and the 2 T30s. So remove this harness and you can free it. If this thing still has its engine, that would be a miracle. Look at that. This is the year we want, I think. Well, I guess the generation. Mangled in there. Maybe not. Auto City, boys. Ooh. I'm not to the point where I can already recognize them just by looking at them. Let's go look for the next Jetta. Santa died here. Poor Santa. You know how I said I'd be here for an hour? That's in 15 minutes, so let's see if we can rush this. We got a bunch of stuff here, man. Whew. Oh, this is mud. Yikes. Oh well, these are my gym shoes. I'll go stomp in some water or whatever. I think this is it. Yep. Oh, that's what I forgot to grab from the other one. I guess we can go back to it. Yep, there it is. Oh, it's a wagon. Hey, yo. I would do a conversion on this. Y'all see this? It was a wagon. Fear this, butterfly. Crazy. Let's go look for something. We gotta look for a dash because one of our vents isn't working. Let's go. So we wasted an hour of our lives and $3. I'm not doing that. Okay, so I looked up the price on both. One is 45, one is 20. Cool. I'm hoping she says about 50, 60 bucks. That'd be fine because I did the work and I have it right now. Fine. And she's at 125. I was like, this thing, by the way, it's one. First of all, this comes, but then the vents come out separately, but it can be one piece. She said this was 52. I was like, never mind. That means the motor in there was 60 something. Please leave me alone. Scamming, ghetto, trash. Oh my god. At least I got the experience in taking one off. So now I can order them and have the experience of taking them off, because wow. Compare your new piece to your old piece, and this one has 3 screws and a big one. So I think you take the 3 screws off and then you can rotate it to take the big one off. Let's get started. So on reassembly, so before I stepped on this to push it away from this upwards to take out the old one, and now we put that one down in the channel and screw this on before we get this one back on. Excuse the ashiness. We're putting, get the wire loom out of the way and start the 10 mil by hand, I guess. We really have a choice. Hang on. I'll give you guys a view in a second. See, down there, that thing. All right, let me screw it on. We'll make sure we're in tightening mode, by the way. And once we find the hole, you just tighten, snug that up, and then we snug these up. Or tighten them up, apparently. Okay. Then we put the cover back on. Oof. There we go. Okay. Keep pushing. Just keep pushing. What do you think you're doing? Oh, I forgot to take a video of this before I changed it. The sound it made. Oh, it's coming. Anyways, I'm gonna keep pushing. Okay. You don't have to do the utmost, because for one, these are on your windshield, so put your trim back on, and then your dust caps. Moment of truth. Did we get rid of the sound? Let's go find out. To be fixed. Listen to this, y'all. No noise. I do have to change my wiper blades because one, they're over a year old, but also two, I broke that one when I was fixing it. But like, no sound. No sound. Okay. when you're changing out your windshield wiper motor and you, is it this one? And you break your windshield wiper, you are going to replace them on a 2012 Jetta S. It takes a 19 and a 24. One of them is longer than the other. This one is the 24. That's the 19. Let's get to it. So, when you pick this up, normally when I put a towel on the windshield so it doesn't just flap down and break your windshield. But I've done this one. So basically, you press this in, there's a little button, and you pull up. And it will come out. And that's why I broke it. So on these specific wipers, the silicone Endura. Don't believe Walmart. It said clearance. It wasn't on clearance. I just didn't care enough. Flip that up. Okay. That's not supposed to fly off. But then you can pry this up and pull it back. Remember how I talked about the B? This is the right piece. It looks like this. See the difference between this piece and that piece? One, it's shorter, but there are none of these little rails right here. They stop. So take the B again on this specific car, and we're gonna slide it in. Same method, except a lot simpler. And that's how you're gonna take it out when you have to replace it in a year. Then put it back down gently. But you're right, aren't I forgetting something? Yeah. Don't forget to remove the guards. Ta-da. Anyways. Sweet relief. It's hitting this, but I don't mind. Good stuff. Much better compared, well, literally no sound compared to what it used to have. And that's a wrap. That's all it takes to change your wiper motor and your wipers. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.